Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prableen and I asked you guys if you wanted to see an Ikea haul. I uploaded it on my Instagram story and you guys said that you wanted to see it. So here am I. This is my huge Ikea box. And I'm going to open all the products and show you what all I got. I wanted to change up a few things in my house. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. And if this is the first time that you're seeing me, then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are updated every single time I upload a video. And if you are someone that wants to see what's there in the box, then keep on watching. Let's start opening this up. बहुत ज़्यादा भारी है. So the first thing I got are these. So basically जब मैं shift हुई थी तब मैंने ये लिया था जिसके अंदर basically whatever packet you have you can just put this on top of it and just seal it so that हवा नहीं लगती है and ज़्यादा वो soggy नहीं हो जाता. So that's why I actually ordered this when I had moved into this house, but I fell short of it and it comes in a pack of 20 I think. So there are 10 longer ones and 10 small size ones. So you can use it to, like, you know, if you're having lays or anything, or even if you have any masale ka dabba or masale ka packet that you want to just seal and keep, you can use this. They're very handy. Okay, so I got 2 packs of this and one retails for 139 rupees. Yeah. The next thing I got is this, which is a food storage container. So if you're having like fruits and stuff like that, and if you want to store it in your fridge, then this is very nice. Basically Tupperware jaisa hai and it comes in a pack of 3 and ye hai, it's for 1013 rupees, but it's a very good कंटेनर बिकॉज मैंने ये पहले भी खरीदा था बट उसका साइज छोटा था, तो ये थोड़े बड़े साइज का है. Whenever my दीदी comes in the morning and I have to ask her to like cut fruits and keep for me, she can just put in this, close it and keep it in the fridge and it'll be secured so that ऐसे हवा नहीं आए and it does not like leave the smell. So yeah, this is the second thing that I got. Okay, so the next thing I got is this. It's called Product. Can you see this? So this is only for 173 rupees. So this is a milk frother. Basically I have started having coffee and like when my friends come over, I like to serve it like that, so I wanted to try it. We have another thing. Let's open it. Oh, oh. So basically ये जो था exactly यही है, but in a smaller container jar. But this is of glass. This is not of glass. This is of plastic or fiber. I don't know. तो कुछ भी अगर ऐसे स्टोर करना है या कुछ खाने का प्रोडक्ट रखना है तो you all can. And this is for 838 rupees. This is how it looks. I think you can see it pretty well. I think इसलिए इसको इतना अच्छे से रोल करके रखा था because कांच का सामान है. Okay, the next thing I got is this. Now this is basically a brush holder, so you can use it anywhere. So I basically wanted it for my bathroom कि मैं directly लगा के उसको काम कर लूँ. इसके अंदर बेसिकली सक्शन कप है, अंदर आपको सक्शन दिख रहा है, तो ये सक्शन कप है, इसको डायरेक्टली हम चिपका सकते हैं वॉल पे एंड देन इट जस्ट स्टिक्स ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. आई विल सी इफ आई कैन शो इट टू यू, बट बेसिकली दिस इज द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. आई लव इट. विद दिस इज फॉर 348 रुपीज़. दिस इज नॉट द एक्चुअल प्राइस बिकॉज ऑन आइकिया मैंने बहुत सस्ते में लिया था, पता नहीं ये प्राइस में क्यों दिखा रहा है. आई थिंक ये इतना महंगा नहीं था, डेफिनेटली इससे सस्ता था. The next thing I got is this. Now this is a pack of 8 जो कपड़े सुखाने के लिए यूज़ होता है ना, ये वो है. And this is for 121 rupees. इसमें 8 clips है and मुझे मिल नहीं रहे थे और ये options में मैंने add कर दिया था. But this is also looks very cute, nice colors. This is the next thing that I got. Now this is another bathroom essential. Basically वो toilet roll को hold करने के लिए जो product चाहिए होता है, this is that. This is ये basically and इसके ऊपर you can put your toilet roll and just because मेरे bathroom के अंदर toilet roll नहीं है and मुझे काम आता है और मैं ऐसे ऊपर रखती हूँ उसको, मुझे चाहिए था कि I should get this. Okay, the next thing I got is this. You know how obsessed I am with frames and I wanted like a very cute picture of something and this is such a cute frame. I really like it. It's all white. I can put it ऐसे एक drawer के shelf के ऊपर or something like that. And since I'm going to change my room थोड़ा सा, तो I wanted थोड़े different elements to be kept in the room and that's why I ordered for this. It's for 698 rupees. So yeah. Next I got is a pack of tissues. You can never have enough of tissues and I kind of have this obsession of trying different types of tissues क्योंकि कोई tissues बहुत पेपरी जैसे होते हैं, कोई टिश्यूज़ थोड़े सॉफ्ट होते हैं. So I wanted to try IKEA के टिश्यूज़ and this is 173 rupees. Normally बाहर भी इतने का ही मिलता है, मतलब 130 140 का ही मिलता है. So I thought I'll try. It has 150 tissues. Oh, I didn't know that. It has 150 tissues. So yeah. So I've called for 3 frames, as you can see. This is dimension इसके 13 by 18 centimeters है, and this is a nice frame size. Like you can see, it's the size of my face. थोड़ा बड़ा from my face, but it's nice. So ऐसे रखने के लिए on top of shelves, inside like a shelf, just to, it looks really nice. Okay, the next thing I got is this. Now if you also have shopped a lot from IKEA, you know कि काफ़ी सारे जहाँ पे also different sections when you do it yourself, काफ़ी होल जैसे खुले रहते हैं, तो उसको कवर करने के लिए this is like a thing. Like if you know and if you've shopped from IKEA and if you've assembled things at home by yourself, you know ये बहुत काम आता है. Basically it can just close any hole and just make it look like it's just one thing altogether. So इसके अंदर बहुत सारे ये है, and this is I think for 50 rupees or something. Yeah, it's for 65 rupees. So I called for this because मेरा जो drawer है अंदर मेरे रूम के अंदर, उसके 2 holes वाले में जो थे वो निकल चुके थे, तो मुझे कुछ ऐड करना था. That's why I thought I'd just get it. Okay, the next thing I got is this. Now this also I've called 2 shelves like this. This is basically like a chest of drawer, just ऐसे stands. Can you understand? So it's like this, or like, I hope you understand. But yeah, this is, I called for 2 drawers like this. I wanted to put it in the hall, so I might just put it now. But yeah, this is what I got. I think this was for 590 rupees. If I find the price of it, I'll just put it right here along with the name. I'm gonna put everything here so you all know. If you all end up buying any of this, so you all should know क्या खरीद रही हूँ. The next thing I got is this tray. वेरी सरप्राइजिंगली मेरे घर पे एक भी ट्रे नहीं है, तो कोई आता है तो मुझे ऐसे उठा के उनको हाथ में ग्लास देना पड़ता है, इसलिए आई थॉट आई जस्ट ऑर्डर अ ट्रे. दिस इज फॉर, व्हाई इज देयर द प्राइस नॉट रिटन, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, एंड वेयर इज द प्राइस रिटन वो भी नहीं मुझे दिख रहा. बट आई जस्ट बेसिकली पुट द प्राइस हियर. सो या इट्स अ वेरी स्टर्डी ट्रे, टूटने नहीं वाला है. इट्स अ फाइबर मटेरियल आई थिंk, but yeah, it's nice. So this is another thing I got, and I don't know what it is. So let's, oh, this is like a knob. So these are like knobs. Okay, this is how it looks like. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. You put it inside and then you twist it so it gets locked, and you can just hang anything on top of this. But I don't know where am I going to use it. But yeah, I remember adding this to my bag. This again is for 175 rupees. I don't know why I got it, but I did. So you can use this for like doors if you want to add just like white knobs and you don't want to add any other knobs, so you can use this. Next thing I got is this. Now this is a soap stand. soap के जो stands होते हैं bathroom के अंदर. This is again a suction वाला thing, so directly it can be stuck on the wall, and I'll just keep it like this. So it's very nice and I really like this one also. It's 523 rupees. I don't understand, but the prices are actually different because this is not the price I paid for this. Next, एक container मंगाया है. This is yellow in color because I was going for a yellow theme in my room. So I thought that if I'm putting like any makeup sponges or something like that, I can use it. It can be used for food as well as like whatever you want basically. So 173 rupees, and it's a good size. Comes in a pack of 3, so you can just store anything and be done with it. Great quality. It's very sturdy. It's a nice. This I actually got for my mom because उनके घर में ऐसे side table नहीं है, तो I ordered for this huge ass table. I will put a picture here so you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is very sturdy and very good quality. लोखंड material का है, तो you can just carry it around and just put whatever stuff you want on it, like a side coffee table. It's very nice. Okay, so this is another box, like it's a storage box. इसको ऐसे open करेंगे तो it's grey in color, and I'll put a picture here so you'll understand what this is. It's called TJOG. Now this again is for 5. I'll just put the price that I got for, because these prices are I don't think right because मैंने थोड़े सस्ते में लिया था. And IKEA has like great discounts every now and then. So this I got because मेरे जो यहाँ पे TV unit है उसके नीचे ऐसे things are just kept just like that, and I didn't want to keep it like that, so I wanted to put 2 chests of containers जिसके अंदर I can put stuff and just keep it here. So that's why I called for this, and I got 4 boxes like this, so there's enough storage wherever I want. Okay, moving on, we have this very cute bed sheet. Now this is the color of it. It's like for a very big size bed. Now this I got for I think 1300 something. This is very beautiful. It's like a nice yellow mustard color bed sheet. This is the picture. You will get an idea of how it's going to look, and I'm really excited. It has like a pillow as well, like 2 pillow covers and a bed sheet. So yeah, I have a duvet, like a quilt, I think that's how it's called. So I have 2 quilts and I wanted covers for it, so I called for 2 quilt covers, and both are white because you know my obsession with white. If you come to my house, everything in my house is white. So I called for 2 of these, and I also got curtains. I got 2 pair of curtains. Now each is for 1100 rupees. I think this was also on a very discounted price. It's a very beautiful yellow mustardy color. It wasn't completely opaque. It's a little sheer. It's cotton material. I'm just going to wash everything and just put it on the curtain rod because I was really excited to turn my room a little yellowish. So it's a hint. That's what I'm going to do to my room. I got this other bed sheet as well. Now this has white and green leaves. The size is the biggest, 240 into 260. That's the size that I called for all the bed sheets that I ordered, and also the quilts because everything is like of jumbo size. And yeah, and then I got 4 boxes of this thing called Drona. Now these are storage boxes just to put like stuff in it and like store, and you can never go have like enough of storage boxes. So I got this, and I got like 4 of these. This is again for I think 1000 rupees. So I ordered 4 of these. 1 2 3 4. It is not of a paper material. Last time मैंने storage box मंगाया था वो paper material का था तो फट गया था. It's a fabric, so won't tear, and plus it will be durable, and I will be able to put like clothes or like whatever I want. So yeah, and that my entire Ikea box is empty now. So that is all for the Ikea haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys want to see how I actually do up my room using these products, then definitely let me know in the comment section. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.